We have made it to Module 15. I can't believe it's already here this semester. We are going to look at the current issues assignment, which is our final assignment for this semester. With this, it's my favorite because there are so many things going on in the world, and clothes impact so many of them, and we don't even realize it. You get to pick what current conversations you want to bring into the classroom. So think about all of the modules we've studied. Think about how you can make those connections. So there are 3 parts to this assignment. First, you need to go in and view the assigned readings and videos in Module 15. There are a few extra that you don't have to view, but it does give you some good insight into other topics. Then from there, you're going to locate an article from either online or social media or a blog or a magazine or something that you've picked up over this course of this semester, even over the course of the last year or so. This item that you choose, this article, should probably present something controversial, environmental, social, or something related to the fashion industry. I've given you an example here. This is a Newsweek article where luxury brands chose to burn their clothing, millions of dollars at that, rather than letting people have them that needed them. They didn't want their clothes getting into the hands of individuals that didn't pay the hundreds of dollars for them. There might be some concern there. So looking down, once you've found your article, you're going to need to reflect and answer the following. What was the main information from this that you chose to read? Do you think there's an issue represented in the article? Yes. What is it? Are people even aware of this? What can you do to spread awareness or even possibly change this issue? What do you think are the most important issues currently that the fashion industry can address? You'll need to make sure you share your link or the document that your article came from. With this, please just remember to respond in a well thought out, multiple sentence response, utilizing proper grammar and spelling in this reflection. You'll submit this to the assignment link by the due date. There is a grading rubric with scoring information. Moving on to part 2. After you submit your reflection, you need to post on our discussion board and reflect the following. Share your article, and then discuss why you found this to be an issue in clothing, good or bad, and tie it back into our course. What are things that you can highlight? When I say that this could be an issue that's a good issue, something that comes to mind would be adaptive apparel for kids and adults. Individuals that normally would have trouble finding things to fit over a brace now have the opportunity to find in the fashion industry some of those things. That's a good problem. We're finally solving it. After you finish part 2, which is submitting this to the discussion board, you're going to be prepared to do a virtual discussion, which is on December 3rd from 12:15 to 1:30. Be prepared to discuss and reflect on your topics that you've read about, as well as listen and ask questions of others. I want you to share opinions, your thoughts, and maybe even brainstorm a few things that we as individuals can do to make a change. This is overall my favorite discussion, my favorite thing to grade. This is the current issues assignment located in Module 15. If you have questions or need anything, please reach out.